Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Dividend stocks with Dividend.com step by step clearly. Start by visiting Dividend.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, create an account if you don't have one already. Click on the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After registering, log into your account. Navigate to the Stocks section from the main menu. Here, you can browse or search for specific dividend stocks to evaluate. Use the filter options to narrow your search based on criteria like yield, sector, and market capitalization. Once you find a stock of interest, click on its name to view detailed information. Review the stock's performance metrics, including its dividend history and payout ratio. Take note of any relevant news articles or research reports linked to the stock. If you want to upgrade your dividend stocks, compare potential new investments with your current holdings. Use Dividend.com's comparison tools to analyze key metrics side by side. Consider factors like growth potential and stability before making a decision. Once you've selected a stock to upgrade to, access your brokerage account. Log into your brokerage platform where you hold your current dividend stocks. Sell the shares of the stock you wish to replace. Ensure to review any transaction fees or tax implications before proceeding. Place a buy order for the new dividend stock you've chosen to upgrade to. Choose the number of shares based on your budget and investment strategy. Confirm the purchase and monitor your investment as it grows. Lastly, keep track of your new dividend income and any changes in your portfolio. Regularly revisit Dividend.com for updated stock information and market trends. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your dividend stocks and optimize your investment portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.